Red lorry, yellow lorry. Let's start with a little warm up for our tongue. Just like we warm up before exercise. Try it. Red lorry, yellow lorry. It's a bit tricky, right? But that's the fun part. Our tongue also needs practice to move smoothly, just like our English speaking. So today we will begin step by step and soon these words will also flow easily. Hello friends, I have started 30 days English speaking challenge and today I am sharing my week first practice plan with you. This week I followed some simple step but powerful step every single day. Step first, mirror practice. Daily, I selected 10 simple sentences and stood in front of mirror. I spoke them loudly 2 to 3 times with confidence. This mirror practice really helped me build courage and improve my voice clarity. Step 2, notebook writing. Along with speaking, I wrote down important sentences in my notebook. Writing and speaking together made my practice stronger. Step 3, shadowing practice. For this, I choose a video of Zenelia. Invest in yourself. Every day I pick 4 to 5 sentences from the video. First, I listened carefully, then I replayed one line, paused, and repeated it exactly the same. I also wrote those sentences in my notebook for revision. This way, I copied the tone, speed, and expression, just like real English speakers. Step 4, daily sentences. I also picked some daily use sentences like the one we need in daily life. I spoke them aloud 4 to 5 times and practiced regularly. Step 5, recording my voice. At the end of day, I recorded myself speaking all that I had practiced. This helped me check my progress and improve step by step. And in this week, I followed the same routine for all 5 days of week 1. This was my week first English practice plan. You know, as the saying goes, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And this week I didn't just take one step, I took 5. If you are also learning English, you can join me in this 30 days challenge. Every week I will share my practice vlog with you. Next week I will share my day 1 full vlog. Everything I did step by step to start this challenge. And in another video, I will share all 5 days mirror practice sentences so you can also practice them with me and improve day by day. Every sentence we practice is not just English. It's a confidence, it's a courage, it's a progress. And together we will shine brighter and move closer to fluency, one day at a time. If you are truly want to learn and practice with me, hit the subscribe button and drop a smiley on the comment section and be the part of this journey. Let's grow together, step by step, supporting each other. Thank you for watching. Let's learn step by step and shine together. See you soon.